Hello my dears, in this video I'll show you how you can delete your Instagram account easy and quickly. All the settings change. So follow this step by step and don't forget, leave a like, share this content and subscribe at this channel. The first thing you need to do is open your Instagram app. So looking for the app and tap right here on Instagram. Wait for a few seconds and press down here at this bottom right corner in your profile. Tap right here in your profile and let's open all settings in these three lines. So tap right here and it will show many configurations. All the settings change. So you must to enter in Meta in your account. Tap right here in Accounts Center and after that it will show many options to you click. You scroll down until you find personal details. Tap here in personal details and it will show this screen. Now you must to pay attention right here. After you continue, be right which account you need to delete. So tap right here in account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, and after that it will show all of your accounts. So tap in the account you want to delete. In my case, I want to delete this one, and after that you just click in delete account. If you aren't sure if you want to delete your account, you can deactivate your account. But if you're sure you want to delete your account, just press right here in delete account and after that tap in continue. Just tap what reason you want to delete and all will be done. After this page, you just need to put your password and all will be done. Don't forget my dears, please leave a comment down here. Oh, thank you, it works. You can't imagine how powerful your comment is for the growing of the channel. Stay with God, my friends. Until the next video and see ya.